August 11th. Around 10 a.m. we're about to head out to Lovingston, Virginia for my grandma's 99th birthday party. So I'm gonna bring you around. That's my brother. This is what it looks like when we're trying to leave. But anyway, so I'm gonna bring you around, show you what a Bush family birthday looks like for our grandma's 99th birthday. Woo, let's go.
My God, let me just drink right out of the bottle. Right out of the bottle.
Okay, so when you're 99 years old, what's one thing in your house that you want to have?
People.
Okay, what about objects?
I'll get it. Like a noise silencer.
Why?
I feel like people will get on my nerves by that age.
It's a little Shih Tzu.
That's sweet. All brothers.
Cutie.
Oh, yeah, the little baby boy. She's got the dress.
Hello. Hi. If you guys could park, you guys could park all the way down. Yeah. Thank you.
All the way down. We'll come get you.
AJ!
Hi.
So, before you're 99, what is one person you want to meet?
Your husband. Yeah, she wants to stay there. I don't like it.
No, before you're 99, bucket list person you want to meet.
The most Jesus, because I'll probably be dead before that.
When you're 99 years old, what do you think? What do you want the world to be like?
Well, I imagine all the people living in peace.
Any second thoughts?
I would want peace, no global warming, no food shortages, because the population would have really grown by then.
Well, can I have a, can you tell me what the question's going to be
Okay,
first?
before you're 99, what is one thing that you want to do? No pressure.
Oh, before I'm 99?
Yes.
I want to tour Ireland, Scotland, and Wales.
Woo!
That sounds like a good idea.
When you're
Let me clean my teeth.
when you're 99 years old, what is something that you think you'll say the most?
If I live to be 99, I hope I've been there and done that.
That's a good
I tell
one.
you what. Margaret is a hard act to follow, I tell you what. God bless her.
What is one thing you want to tell your 99-year-old self?
Well, I tell my 99-year-old self,
Yes.
like me.
Yes. What do you want to tell yourself when
If I
you're...
was 99,
Yes.
take me now. Plenty of room. Please.
When you're 99 years old, what does your dream vacation look like?
When I'm 99?
When you're 99.
Oh my goodness. In my hammock in the backyard, staring up at the sky, breathing deep, sleeping in between, looking up at the sky, breathing deep.
What time of day?
Oh, like this kind of weather right now. I hope I make it to 99, like Maggie B.
Yep.
The main thing you want to do is always enter everything at the end of the day. Try to rack your brain and just find out.
Don't let it go, right?
Your greatest memory of Aunt Margaret?
Well, I remember it was always really, really fun to go to her house because there were so many kids. And, you know, it was just like a party always for us. And because the twins are my age, right?
Yeah.
The twins are my age, so we had tons of fun together. Your house was tons of fun. That's what I remember the most. Big meals.
Which house was that?
That was my memory of the house is
That was the one in Arlington.
Second floor. I can see something about it. Was it Arlington? I can kind of see. I remember Caroline's bedroom.
The L-shaped bedroom.
Yes, I remember Caroline's bedroom. I must have been in Caroline. I must have been playing in Caroline's bedroom a bunch.
Probably.
Right? Yeah. I remember how kind Uncle Carl was too. He was always
Always a gentleman. I'm sorry.
Yes. Yes. He was always very kind and always, and the way that I remember the way that he spoke to me, he always spoke to me like I was an adult.
Never heard of
He never, he was
Oh, not
like a child.
I don't believe in that either.
Yeah.
I never believe that. No.
I was yeah.
Your children can't learn to speak correctly if you talk baby talk from the beginning.
Yeah.
No.
What's some memories about Aunt Margaret? What do you remember?
I remember when I met Margaret, she was always when she first met me, we talked a little bit and she got to know me a little bit. She wanted to know all about me, always wanted to know all about me. So I spilled the beans, told everything. And she was always very kind, very sweet to me.
What is your best advice to your 50-year-old self?
I feel sorry for people that don't enjoy their jobs. That's sad. And they're in that job maybe most of their life, and they're working at it day in and day out, and they don't really enjoy what they're doing.
Okay, so when you're 99 years old and you have 99 problems in your life, what is one problem that you don't want to have?
Probably, yes. I'm peeing and pooping on myself. And still having my memory.
Be explicit.
When you're 99 years old and you're able to drive still, okay? What kind of car do you want to drive when you're 99 years old?
A safe one.
Any color, specific color?
Well, it'd have to be something to stand out, so it'd have to be something like yellow.
Okay, when you're 99 years old, what is one thing left that you have on your bucket list that you need to do before 100?
Buy an island.
Where?
Somewhere off the coast of Australia.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
South Pacific.
Yeah, I want a kangaroo as a pet.
Okay.
As a pet. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and some koalas.
Tommy, where do you see yourself when you're 99 years old?
When I'm 99, I see myself living somewhere warm and somewhere close to good family and good friends.
All right, here we go.
Did you get some chicken sandwich?
What a good daughter you are. I love you all.
Put them on the site.
I hope that I see you before I
We'll put them on the site too.
It'll be at your cousin
Yeah. Thank you.
next party's at cousin Lindy.
Willie's going to come back in about a month.
What's the birthday?
I'm just gonna like do except this one.
It was good talking to you.
Wow.
It was nice meeting you. It's a video.
We love video. My mom and me. She says it's too hot. Nice. One more time. Back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Blow them all out.
Cheese.
Good.
Pillow picture.
Oh, that's nice.
No, it's red.
That's a nice one.
Hi, the boys are all here.
Crikey.
And then a boy
Hello, Sarah. Hello. Hello, love. Countdown. There you go.
This is the first time you're really
Just the boys. Okay.
Just the boys. It's the Bush boys.
Touch one of their
Always
faces.
beating the living daylights out of one another.
Smile!
So
cute are they?
Smile!
1, 2, 3, cheese!
Now everyone.
Tuck in there, Caroline. There you go. All right, we got an archive photo here.
Yeah. Say siblings.
Siblings.
There you go.
When you're 99 years old.
I can do a man crush. I got this.
No, he's probably gonna be dead.
No, well, he's still alive right now.
Time Selleck?
Selleck.
Okay, there we go. What do you want to? What? No. Yes.
What would be the perfect day at age 99?
Well, I guess it would start off with waking up.
Keep going.
You know, still being here, you know? Yeah. Every morning when I wake up, I think, I'm still here. It's a good day.
Where do you see yourself when you're 99?
I see myself in a house on the water with 7 cats, all tuxedo, a really big boat, and also just, you know, living a happy life with Jesus by my side. So what's one thing you would tell your 99-year-old self?
When you get older, life gets faster.
When you're 99 years old, what would your dream vacation be when you're 99?
I'd probably like to get on my fishing boat and cruise around the ports of the Caribbean, actually. Do a lot of deep sea fishing.
Okay, Mom. So when you're 99, what's one thing that you have now that you want to keep with you?
My photo album so I can remember everybody.
That's great.
Okay, party is over. Everyone's packing up the car. It was successful. I hope everyone enjoyed the questions I asked. Do you have anything to say?
Say anything.
We're definitely glad everyone got together and we all had a good time.
Yeah, very wholesome.
It was, you know...
Not many pots were stirred.
Please, if you're a family member watching this, please don't just watch this. Can you actually please like it? Hit the little thumbs up button, and also there's a button that says subscribe. So also subscribe. Please, I'm begging you, if you're a family member, because I know family people are watching this, please subscribe, support your girl. Peace out for now.